especially when you're first starting, that your footwork and your power moves go in the same direction. That would either be clockwise or counterclockwise. And the way you can tell this is by the way you freeze. If you freeze on your right hand, your basic mode freezes on your right hand, most of your footwork and your power move should go clockwise, okay? If you freeze on your left, obviously it's counterclockwise, okay? Keep that in mind, kids. It's very important, all right? Now, basically we're going to talk about the swipe, okay? Now the swipe is one of the most basic foundational power moves, okay? And it looks something like this. This is what a swipe looks like, okay? Okay? Now, that's an air swipe, also known as a swipe, okay? Now, a good drill to be able to get a swipe, really don't have a name for it, just going to show you the drill, okay? It looks something like this, okay? Now that looks like a pretty funny move. Look like a weird caliper or something, but it's a good drill in order to get the swipe. I'm going to show you what I did here, okay? Starting stance where my legs are a little separate, okay? Now my power moves go counterclockwise, excuse me, clockwise. So what I do is I take my left hand and I put it down first, as if just as I'm bending over. Here. Now I lift my right leg up, place my right hand down, then jump over to my right leg and repeat the motion. Step, step, step. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, step. Okay? The repetitive motion of that gives you the swing and the momentum that's needed when doing an air swipe, okay? Now the second part to doing an air swipe would be this, and it's very important to get your hand positioning correct. You're going to start off sitting on our bums, okay? Take your right hand, you're going to lift up, so you're sitting up like this, okay? Now you want to be on your heels, okay? Now what we're going to do from here is you're going to switch it to your left hand, sort of like this, hop. Now from here you're going to take your right hand, place it down, and repeat the motion. Okay? So we went 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now that, combined with the first hop, pretty much gets you a swipe. Okay?